Hey Patrick, hope you're doing well. Sorry for the late reply. But I have a question. For example, what's the alternative cycles node hue saturation value in Octane? And then the other question was also, how do I make objects invisible only to the camera, like in cycles, object data properties? You can turn off the camera visibility. Great questions. Let me jump into that and quickly show you. This video is actually a sneak peek from inside my private community, my Blender Octane School. I made it specifically to answer questions from members. One of the members was stuck with this exact issue. That's how things work inside the community. You get closer access to me, you ask questions, I make custom videos to get you unstuck. If you want that kind of support, hit the link down below. For the first portion of your question, the hue saturation, one of my favorite things, is in Octane. We call it right here the color correction node, and this is our version of that. So for example, if I go ahead and pipe that in between this setup here, and I look here, the color correction node, we can control overall brightness. We have hue saturation. There's your saturation. Then we have gamma control. We got a little bit more settings on this. We got gamma control, contrast, which is not showing up here, gain, and then exposure, and then also mass, which I hardly ever use. But yeah, we do also, you have that here. This is a great alternative to that. And this is what I use anytime there is a hue saturation node or color brightness node inside of cycles. I go to the color correction node here. How to hide something from your camera view. For example, if I don't want this to show up in the render, we can just easily come over here to your project object properties, click on object properties. If you scroll down here, you'll see, I'll scroll up, sorry, where is it? Click on the cube right here. You'll see we have this. Let me pull this out a little bit more. You'll see we have this here, camera. If you click on this, it won't show up in the camera and it won't show up in the render. So if I go to render this, we go ahead and hit F12, go to render this, it's not showing up because this is a different plane here. So if I come back here, stop that render, go ahead and hit this again, and then hit F12, there's our cube, right? And it's just the camera view is head on. So move that, there we go. Now you can see basically, boom, there it is. And then this right here, camera visibility, boom, turn that off. Same thing with shadow visibility, dirt visibility, contra view visibility, and also rounded edges visibility. That's how you would fix that. And that is how you fix it. If you want to stop guessing your render settings and learn Blender Octane in a much more deep, easier way, then join our 7-day free trial running right now. Links down in the description. I'll see you guys on the inside. Peace.